Hi, thanks for checking out our 2016 Holden Cruze Equipe hatch that has just arrived. This one here is in stunning slip flame blue, has the alloy wheels as well, colour-coded mirrors, colour-coded door handles. This one's in the hatch, and as you can see, the trim's in great condition. It's got the Holden MyLink system as well. Really soft touch trims all the way around. Coming through inside, as you can see, the back trim is in great condition. You got that centre armrest with two cup holders as well. Coming through into the front there, you've got that multifunctional steering wheel as well. Alloy wheels on the back. You can see across the back of the car, very clean. It's got rear parking sensors, quick release as well, and you've got child restraints there on the back of the seats. Coming down to the side, it's in good condition. We can send full walk around videos showing detailed marks or scratches on this vehicle. This one does have your audio controls, full electrics as well, front and rear, auto lights, cruise control, all your wiper controls, and you've got your multi-function screen through here. Only travelled 123,000 Ks, and you do have your infotainment system there, and you got your rear parking sensors. Coming down through here, you've got your climate control. So it does have heaps of features, side curtain airbags, and much more. We look forward to seeing you soon.